A long wire carrying a steady current is bent into a circular loop of 1/3. The magnetic field at the center of the loop is B. It is then bent into a circular coil of N turns. What will be the magnetic field at the center of this coil of N turns? Let me first break it down step by step with a clear explanation of how the magnetic field at the center of the coil changes when the number of turns increases. The magnetic field B at the center of a circular loop of radius r carrying a steady current I is given by the formula B is equal to mu naught I by 2r, where mu naught is the permeability of free space, I is the current, and r is the radius of the loop. We are told that for 1 turn, the magnetic field is B. So this is our reference. When the wire is bent into N turns, each turn of the coil contributes to the magnetic field. For a coil with multiple turns, the formula for the magnetic field at the center becomes B total is equal to N into magnetic field from each turn. So, the new magnetic field at the center of the coil with N turns can be written as B total is equal to N into B. This is because each turn adds the same contribution B to the magnetic field. Let us see how the length affects the number of turns. When a wire of length L is bent into a coil of N turns, the radius R of each loop becomes smaller. The total length of the wire remains constant and it can be given by the formula L is equal to 2 pi r into n. Thus, the radius r decreases proportionally with n, which increases the magnetic field by a factor of n because B is inversely proportional to resistance and r is inversely proportional to number of turns. So, the magnetic field becomes B total is equal to n square B. Thus, for a coil with n turns, the magnetic field at the center is multiplied by n square. And the correct answer is option D, n square B.